Never put the dirt back in. You never want to put the dirt back in. You want to haul all that dirt away. You just want to fill this French drain in with good drainage stone. That way you can move the water efficiently. The system could take it in. So all that dirt that was in that trench, all of it, you can see it in this trailer. And this is a big 20-foot Gooseneck Dump, 25,000 GVW for the guys that want to know that stuff. I highly recommend it. We run 2 of them. Now notice how there's no dirt on the side of this trench. And there never was. Do you see guys taking dirt, piling it up, and later going to push it in? No. I can't tell you how many videos I see on YouTube or shorts, full-length videos or shorts, where the guys are showing their work saying, never put the dirt back in. Actually, they're using my voice, believe it or not. They're taking my voice from one of my videos. Never put the dirt back in, yet you see the dirt piled up on the side of their trench. What do you think they're going to do with that dirt? They're frauds, they're lying to you, and they're going to push the dirt back in on top of these pipes. So the system is not going to work very efficient. Why do they do that? Well, because it takes equipment like that to haul that dirt away, and they don't have it. So anytime you see a video and a guy saying, never put the dirt back in, call him out for it. Get in his comment section and let him know what a bum he is. If you see dirt piled to the side of somebody's trench, they didn't do that because they want to handle the dirt again. Anybody with a brain that wasn't going to put the dirt back in would take the dirt out, put it in a wheelbarrow if you have no equipment and you're just starting out. That's fine. That's where I started, on wheelbarrows. Didn't get my first skid loader till I was 30. And that's a God's truth. We wheelbarrowed up until that point. So I know what it's like to start on the bottom rung of the ladder, guys. When you're putting the dirt on the side of the trench and you're saying that you're not going to put that dirt back in, I'm going to call you out for it. There's no way you're putting that dirt to the side of the trench and then later going to handle it again just because you need the exercise. If you've done a couple of French drains, you would know. You scoop the dirt out, whether it's with a machine or by hand, and you put it in a skid loader bucket or a wheelbarrow. And then you wheel it off or haul it off. You most certainly don't pile it alongside your trench and make extra work for yourself and extra cleanup. Nobody does that. So you guys on YouTube showing your trenches with the pile of dirt on the side of it, I know what you're up to. We get all the calls. We hear about all these companies that take people's money. They're bums. So when you're hiring a contractor, make sure you see pictures and videos from that company where there's no dirt piled next to the trench. Now, if they're doing a downspout line or a discharge line, that's solid pipe and it's not perforated with stone, they're going to put the dirt back in. That's a different story. If you see one of our roof runoff systems or one of our sump pump discharge lines, yeah, you pile the dirt to the side because it's going back in. Most of it, anyways. But never for a French drain should dirt be piled to the side of the trench. Contractors give you a pamphlet and they're showing you pictures of their work. And you see that dirt on the side of the trench, run. Run because they're bums. They're going to put the dirt back in, and your French drain's never going to stand a chance to be a really good French drain. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comment section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.